Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare Cordyceps mushroom, easy method. Start by rinsing dried Cordyceps gently and soaking them in lukewarm water for 20 to 30 minutes to rehydrate. After soaking, pat them dry and slice or chop to increase surface area. Use them in soups, teas, or stir-fries to extract flavor. I'll guide you through simple seasoning, timing, and storage tips so you get consistent results every. Gently rinse Cordyceps under a light stream to remove grit without damaging the mushrooms. Soak them in lukewarm water for 20 to 30 minutes until they become flexible and slightly plump. Strain and reserve the soaking liquid for broth or tea, as it contains soluble nutrients and flavor. Slice or leave whole depending on your recipe, and keep timing consistent to maintain texture and potency in cooked dishes. When cooking, treat rehydrated Cordyceps like a delicate ingredient that benefits from gentle heat. Add them near the end of stir-fries so they keep their shape and aromatic notes. For soups or teas, simmer gently for 10 to 20 minutes to draw out flavor and soluble compounds without breaking them down. If you rehydrate extras, store in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days for easy meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.